Let's talk a little bit about dandelions. Yes, dandelions, a perennial weed. It actually grows a rosette of leaves first, right at the soil surface, and then up comes the rest of the plant. This plant is actually able to survive because of its deep storage systems, which houses a lot of carbohydrates. It is a weed that I actually do like. It reminds me a lot of my childhood. It has a beautiful yellow bloom. This beautiful yellow bloom becomes a white globe of seeds. And if you were to blow those seeds, it's going to reproduce or repopulate by seed. So you have to be careful about that. If you want to control dandelions, you can use a broadleaf herbicide. Please read and follow the label. Wow, that was quick. If you want quick gardening tips, just subscribe below.